Hi friend, today I'm going to teach you how to put together your own tapping script. I'll show you how to tap through the points and explain the setup statement step by step. Then I'll demonstrate a simple tapping script that you can follow, or even better, make your own. First, EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Techniques, and it's just a simple way to lower tension in the body. Step 1, identify the emotion. Take a moment to notice what you're feeling. Ask yourself, what emotion am I feeling and where do I feel it in my body? Then you want to rate that 0 to 10. 0 would be not feeling it at all, which why would you even choose that? And 10 would be the strongest ever. And don't overthink that. Just pick the number that pops into your head. Step 2, we call this the setup statement. It's where we tap on the side of the hand and we say a phrase that explains the issue in a longer way by starting with the words even though, then we state the issue, and then we end with an acceptance statement, either of ourselves or the emotion that we're feeling. And we'll say this 3 times. And you can change this up to say either how you're feeling or where you're feeling it. So let's practice saying a setup statement together 3 times. Even though I feel this emotion in my body, I fully love and accept myself. Even though I feel this tension in my body, I fully accept how I feel right now. Even though I feel this tension in my body, I accept that I feel this way. So there are 3 variations that you could use. Whatever feels the most true to you is the most important. So let's move on to the next step. Step 3 is tapping through the points. Now, if you've looked at my other tapping video that explained the tapping points, you'll know that they are the top of the head, the eyebrow point, the side of the eye, under the nose, on the chin, on the chest, and let me turn this way, this way, under the arm. Okay, so those are the tapping points. When you go through the tapping points, you will say a reminder phrase, and that's just a short little reminder of what you were tapping on in your setup statement. So if you were tapping on sadness, your short reminder phrase could just be this sadness that I feel, this sadness in my heart, say, this sadness, my sadness. And you would just do that all the way around, tapping through all the points. And that would constitute 1 round or sequence of tapping. So let's put it all together now. I'm going to say emotion and body, and you can replace the words with whatever you want. We're going to start on the tapping on the side of the hand for our setup statement. And just repeat after me, filling in the words however you would like. Even though I feel this emotion, I fully love and accept myself in this moment. And even though I feel this emotion in my body, I accept that I feel this way. And even though I feel this emotion in my body, I fully love and respect myself anyway. And now we'll go through the tapping points by starting on the top of the head. This emotion, this emotion, this emotion in my body, this emotion that I feel, this emotion, my emotion, this emotion in my body. Oh, let me turn. Oh, this emotion in my body. There's 1 round. Take a nice deep breath. Step 4 is checking in again and re-rating the intensity that we checked at the beginning. So after you're done tapping, take a deep breath and check in and rate it 0 to 10, 0 being there's nothing left, or 10 being the very most it could be. And just notice how you feel. Did it go down? How far did it go down? And if it's still high, that's okay. Sometimes it'll even go up before it comes down because it's just coming up and out. It's like opening a soda can and the bubbles rise up out of the soda can and then the soda goes flat, right? Well, emotions can be that way too. So if you start tapping and it goes up, that's okay. Just keep tapping because it's just going to come up and go out. Tapping is just you being present with your emotions and giving yourself that compassionate attention that you deserve and supporting your body in the process. If you have any questions, leave a comment, send me a message, and I will answer them for you. Great job and happy tapping.